welcome to our math lesson with Teacher Joy. And for this video, we are going to learn about addition of fractions. Again, addition of fractions. So for our vocabulary words, I want you to read with me. Fraction, fraction, proper fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, improper fraction, mixed number, mixed number, addition, addition, lowest common multiple, lowest common multiple. All right, let's read one more time. Fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed number, addition, lowest common multiple. Alright, so in adding fractions, to add two fractions with different denominators, convert both fractions into their respective equivalent fractions with a common denominator first. And to add mixed numbers, convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions before performing the operations. Alright, so let's calculate 2 and 4 over 9 plus 7 over 15. So here, 2 and 4 over 9 is a mixed number and 7 over 15 is a proper fraction. So let's convert 2 and 4 over 9 into improper fraction. So let's multiply 9 times 2 plus 4 over 9. So 9 times 2 is equal to 18 plus 4. So we have 22 over 9. Now let's add 22 over 9 plus 7 over 15. This time, we need to have the same denominator. So let's have the LCM of 9 and 15. So the smallest prime number that can divide both 9 and 15 is 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3 and 15 divided by 3 is 5. So we need to multiply the divisor and the quotient. We have 3 times 3 times 5 is equal to 45. Therefore, our new denominator is 45. Now let's have 22 over 9. So 22 over 9 times 5 over 5. So we have 110 over 45. Next, let's have 7 over 15. So 7 over 15 times 3 over 3, we have 21 over 45. So now let's add 110 over 45 plus 21 over 45. So the answer is 131 over 45. This time, we need to divide to get the mixed number. So we have 131 divided by 45. The answer is 2, and 2 times 45 is 90. Now let's subtract 131 minus 90. 1 minus 0 is 1, and 3 minus 9 cannot be. So we need to borrow. 1 becomes 0, and 3 becomes 13. Now let's subtract 13 minus 9. So the answer is 4. Now we already have our new answer. We have 2 as the whole number, 41 is the numerator, and 45 is our denominator. So the final answer is 2 and 41 over 45. So for our sentence structure, everybody read with me. Blank plus blank is equal to blank. Again, blank plus blank is equal to blank. Alright, so it's quiz time. Are you ready? Alright, let's begin. So let's calculate 5 over 6 plus 2 over 7. This time we already have two proper fractions. Now let's have the same denominator, so we need to find the LCM of 6 and 7. So the LCM of 6 and 7, we can divide 6 by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2, and just copy 7. Now, let's multiply the divisor and the quotients. So we have 3 times 2 times 7 is equal to 42. Therefore, our new denominator is 42. Now let's have 5 over 6 times 7 over 7. So we have 35 over 42. Then next, let's have 2 over 7 times 6 over 6. So we have 12 over 42. Now let's add 35 over 42 plus 12 over 42. The answer is 47 over 42. Now since this is an improper fraction, now let's convert this into mixed number. Let's divide 47 by 42. So the answer is 1. And 1 times 42 is 42. Now let's subtract 47 and 42. So 7 minus 2 is 5, and 4 minus 4 is 0. So we have 1 as the whole number, 5 as the numerator, and 42 is our denominator. So the answer is 1 and 5 over 42. Alright. Next, let's calculate 11 over 12 plus 2 and 1 over 4. Now since 11 over 12 is a proper fraction and we have mixed number, let's convert the mixed number 2 and 1 over 4 into improper fraction. So let's have 2 and 1 over 4 is equal to 4 times 2 plus 1 over 4. So 4 times 2 is equal to 8 plus 1. Yep, 9 over 4. Now let's add 11 over 12 plus 9 over 4. This time we need to find the same denominator. So let's find the LCM of 12 and 4. So let's have 2. So 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6, and 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Now it's still divisible by 2. Let's divide by 2. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3, and 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Now let's multiply all the divisors and quotients. So we have 2 times 2 times 3 times 1 is equal to 12. Now let's have 11 over 12 times 1 over 1 is equal to 11 over 12. And then next, let's have 9 over 4 times 3 over 3 is equal to 27 over 12. So let's add the new fractions. We have 11 over 12 plus 27 over 12 is equal to 38 over 12. So since this is an improper fraction, we need to convert this into mixed number. So let's divide 38 divided by 12 is equal to 3. Now let's multiply 3 times 12. We have 36. Now let's subtract 38 and 36. So 8 minus 6 is 2. And 3 minus 3 is 0. Now we have our new answer. 3 is our whole number, 2 is our numerator, and 12 is our denominator. So the answer is 3 and 2 over 12. Now, is this the final answer? No, we need to simplify 2 over 12. So let's divide 2 over 12 by 2 over 2. So just copy 3, then 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. Now the final answer is 3 and 1 over 6. Alright, so for your activity, you need to answer the activity quiz and write it on your math notebook. Take a picture of your output and send the pictures to Teacher Joy's LINE account. Now here's your activity quiz. Alright, so excellent. Now I hope you learn and understand about addition of fractions. I hope to see you on our next video. Goodbye!